Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to May I Scraplift You June edition. There are month-long hops going on. You guys do know that there was one in May. May I Scraplift You was all month long. I did not participate. I just don't have the bandwidth currently. And it is June, so it's all about Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. You will see me play along with that later, but I have so much other stuff going on that I'm just doing design team stuff and a few extras throughout each month now. But as it's May I Scraplift You, it is also Scrappy Kathy's 2,000 subscriber hop. So I am going to scraplift her today for the May I Scraplift You. And as you see, she's got this beautiful one that I took off of her Scrappy Kathy with 2 eyes Instagram page. And she's got 9 boxes, all with different, it looks like 3 different boxes behind it, and then 4 photos. So we're going to do that. And I'm going to do my How to Kill a Kit with Style. Here are my 4 photos. So these 2 are pretty much the same, but that's okay. We're doing on some white cardstock, just like Kathy did. And I have had the pleasure of being in many groups with Kathy, and I absolutely love and adore her. So I was so excited to see that she had reached a fabulous milestone of 2,000 subscribers. And it is an honor. Alright, so we need 1, 2, 3, so that is, so we're going to go 3 by 3 on all different. So I've got all my scraps here, that's what I'm going to try to use today. So we might actually be able to get a 3 by 3 out of that, a 3 by 3 out of that. Nope. So I'm just going to kind of filter through here and see all that we can get 3 by 3s out of. And just a whole bunch of different ones. We can definitely use that to mat the photos. I think we can get a 3 by 3 out of that. Okay. I can definitely do 3 by 3. All of these I can get 3 by 3s out of. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the 3 by 3s and getting them laid down. I'm going to trim these to 3 by 3 because we're just going to wonkily move them, so they're all going to be 3 by 3 squares. So if you give me just a minute, I'll be right back. So I totally ran out of time and did not get this up. It is going to go up today, which is the day it's supposed to go up, but I didn't have time to do all the fun stuff with you guys. But as you can see, I just kind of swoosh, 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 swoosh. I do have the photos in order. We've got a couple things on the photos, and then just each one of the frames, the little areas, I just kind of zhuzhed up to make all kinds of cool. Now we're just gonna pop those in. Let's go ahead and put this right there. So we're gonna add some of these gems. And I so want to thank my friend Kathy. Hitting 2,000 subscribers is quite the milestone. I have followed Kathy for quite some time as a stalker. Nope, just playing. Sorry. We have been on so many fun things together. Mixed Media Mayhem. If you know, you know. She is just a wonderful person. So if you don't already follow Kathy, I am telling you that you must. You must, you must, you must, you must. Go follow now. And you will not be disappointed. She does some of the best designs. Usually if there's a Calvin ball, she's all about Calvin ball, and I think she's a winner chicken dinner of all the Calvin balls, because she gets such the loveliest layouts made with the most randomest things. And her husband John is a Grateful Dead person, which you guys all know I'm a Grateful Dead person, so I love it when she tells the stories. And don't forget to check everyone else out that is playing along with our sweet, sweet friend, and see if you can bump her to 3,000 by the end of the month, right? So, that being said, I'm going to finish this up, and we are going to call it a very fun day. I thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I think that gives it just the bit of whoop whoop that we need for some sparkle and shine in all the areas. And I absolutely love this design. So head on over to Kathy's page, check it out, do all the fun YouTubey things like subscribe, join her channel, check out and love everything that she has going on. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.